Next is looking at adoption. And so looking at this particular team had unassigned tasks in active lists, had tasks that would sit in progress for weeks without any clear step or being flagged as a blocker, no ownership rules, and completed or irrelevant tasks that remain open. So, additional noise within the system. And so, the recommendation is to set clear ownership rules and then automate those where possible. Tasks that sit in progress for weeks without a clear blocker or next step, um, those should be surfaced for the project manager or product owner or management to review and assist with. And then unassigned tasks, yeah, also surface those information.